Troubled crypto lender Celsius to hire new lawyers to explore restructuring options. On Sunday, July 10, the Wall Street Journal reported that Celsius has replaced its lead restructuring counsel with lawyers from Kirkland & Ellis. Sources familiar with the matter said that the lawyers have advised Celsius on options including a bankruptcy filing. The troubled crypto lender had previously hired lawyers from Akin Gump Strauss Hauer and Feld LLP. Kirkland & Ellis are also representing troubled crypto broker Voyager Digital, which filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy last week. With Celsius Network facing a major liquidity crisis due to the crypto market crash, it has yet to share the path forward. The company has been exploring restructuring options and talking to several lawyers. On the other hand, the company has also appointed banking giant Citigroup for advice about financing options. Owing to a massive correction in the crypto market, Celsius has already stopped withdrawals on the platform. On June 30, Celsius Network noted in a blog post saying that it is taking necessary measures to preserve and protect assets. The blog post noted, "These options include pursuing strategic transactions as well as a restructuring of our liabilities, among other avenues. These exhaustive explorations are complex and take time, but we want the community to know that our teams are working with experts from many different disciplines." Crypto exchange OKX pays more than $20 million this season to sponsor Manchester City training kit. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX doubles on Manchester City. On Sunday, the company announced it had reached an agreement to expand its existing partnership and become the club's official training gear partner for the 2022-23 season. The deal also sees select Manchester City players star in crypto educational content produced by OKX. Financial terms were not disclosed, but a source said Forbes that the extended agreement will net the reigning Premier League champions more than $20 million this season. Manchester City named OKX as their official cryptocurrency partner in March in a multi-million-dollar deal. Forbes estimates the club is worth $4.25 billion, the sixth most valuable in the world. Terra crash highlights stablecoin risk to financial stability, ECB. The European Central Bank, ECB, has released a report analyzing the growth of the cryptocurrency market over the past decade and the risks it poses to the existing financial system. A section of the report dedicated to stablecoins discussed the central role that it plays in the current ecosystem. Stablecoins are increasingly used to interlink various blockchain networks and play a critical role in offering liquidity to the decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem.